Hey guys, come on in. Today we're going to make peanut butter dog treats. So easy. 4 ingredients, I believe. But first, let me show you something. This is what I got in the mail. This is from YouTube. I know what it is. I haven't taken it out. All I did was do this. I'm like, oh, YouTube. They said there was a select few. I don't know how few they were to on their selection, but it's supposed to be a clapper board for video. Lights, camera, action, it says. Partner perks. You've scored a limited edition YouTube clapper board made just for valued partners like you. This one of a kind, I'm kind of trying hard to read because it's dark. I know it doesn't look dark, but it is really dark in here. This one of a kind item is our special thank you for all your hard work and creativity. We'd love to see your new clapper board in your next video. Show us the magic, the bloopers, and everything in between.
We give you the bloopers.
Yeah, because we don't take it out now. I don't know what that is. But here's what it is, guys.
Oh, how cool is that?
Yeah, it's a dry erase board. It's got a little pen here, too.
Well.
What? Oh, it's got a lock on it. It has to, somewhere.
So you can write on there what video it is. And
Lights, camera, action. Take 1. Oh, no. Take 2.
No, take 93.
Yeah, it says the channel name and what video, how many takes, and the date. Our takes is 1 because you get it all.
Yeah, we do it all one take.
I don't know how to edit. I'm trying to figure it out, but we want to show you the real stuff anyway. I do know how, like, just to put, like, subscribe on there and all that stuff. Other than that, I don't know how to do it. So, I'm trying to get somebody to show me. And I've watched videos, and that's just something that I don't have my mind set to figure. I don't know why. In my mind, I'm thinking it's so hard. Well, I know it's probably not. And then once I figure it out, I'll be like, oh, jeez, all that time. So, get ready for peanut butter dog treats. Take 1. Okay. So I've got 2 cups of whole wheat flour right here. You can use oat flour. You can use almond flour. Whatever you want to use. I'm using wheat flour. They say that's decent for dogs. And I have a 1/2 cup of peanut butter here. And this is just the cheap peanut butter I buy for the squirrels. So I figured they're going to share some peanut butter with the dogs.
They might eat them treats too. You never know.
I don't have any dog anymore, but these treats are so easy to make. And my dog, she would never eat store-bought treats like that, but she loved these homemade treats. She especially loved it when I used the bottom of the peanut butter jar and gave her the jar to lick. She was about as happy as Billy is when I give him the beaters on the cookie dough. All right, so we're going to put 2 eggs. Yeah, that one ain't wanting to come apart.
That's the trouble I always have. That's why you never crack them over the bowl, right?
Exactly. Let's wash my hands a little bit.
Wash your hands in muddy water.
Okay. And I have these cute little dog bone cookie cutters. You don't have to use any cookie cutters. You can just spread it out and just cut them into strips. circles, whatever you want to do. You don't have to have those cookie cutters. But I do. This is just cute. Because we're all about cute here. I've had those cutters for years, so they said I had my dog for 13 years, so she got used with those this recipe and those cookie cutters. Okay, got that. Now to tie this all together, we're just going to use some water. I have a 1/4 cup of water here, and we got to get our hands in there and get down and dirty.
Do it.
I will here in just a second. Get some of this stirred up.
I want to see it all over your hands.
Gotta get it pulled together. I'm just putting it all in.
That's what I do. You probably need more.
All right. Get down in there. I think that's gonna do it. So
You gonna taste test these?
No. I used to make them with the kids I used to have to stay with me. And they're like, oh, can we taste it? Can we taste it? I said, sure. Ain't nothing in there won't hurt you. And they taste it. I'm like, I was like, well, yeah, I don't have no sugar. They had to find out for themselves, though, because they kept saying, can I taste it? Can I taste it? Go right ahead. They wasn't liking it then. Because, guys, this is one that you can do with your kids. It doesn't matter, you know. This would let them get their hands right down in there. But I think I am going to need just a little bit more water because there's some dry down in the bottom.
Oh, I knew you would.
I know.
Billy's always right. I saw that look. That was like, yeah, right.
All right. That may have been too much.
Nah. It evaporates.
I'll put some of this flour I put out here on it. Get this all spread out here. And I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. The thinner you make them, the crispier they're going to be. I used to make them really thin for her.
We'd like to have another dog, but we also like to just pick up and go whenever we want to, and with a dog you can't do that.
Yeah, we ain't not getting one right now.
Maybe when we're a little older.
How much older?
I don't know, 10, 15 years.
We'll need one to take care of us.
When I'm 85 or 90, I guess.
All right. So I'm going to dip my cookie cutter.
Go ahead.
Into this flour right here. And I am just going to make shapes all up and down through here. I got a silicone mat on my baking sheet right here. I'm just going to put them on there. And you don't have to worry about how far apart you space them because they're not going to rise. They're going to stay whatever you put them on there.
The dog treat for the finicky dog, huh?
For my finicky dog. Now, I don't know. You know she wouldn't eat dog treats.
No, I bought her some Rural King. She wouldn't eat it.
Nope. I've tried sausages, them things like that. Nope.
Pepperonis.
Yep. Nope. She wasn't having it.
Nope.
She's like,
just...
why would I have that when I can get homemade?
Exactly.
But no, from the time I brought her home, I tried to give her some of those treats, and she wouldn't. It's the reason why I started making dog treats. It's over here where I can see it. I'll make a whole tray of the big ones, and then whatever, when we have some left over, then I use small ones.
Looks like dog bones.
Yes, they do, and they smell good. Peanut butter.
Oh, yeah. I love peanut butter.
You want to try these?
No, I'm good. I'm watching my diet.
All right, guys. Going in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. And if you want them crispier at that point, leave them in a little bit longer. So we'll see you in 30 minutes. Biker Baker and Mr. Smith, second half. Okay, the peanut butter dog treats have been in this oven for 30 minutes.
Well, they smell good.
Yeah, they do. They smell good. And here is a tray of the small ones. Put those in. And then I have 8 more to do. See, they didn't move. They didn't raise or anything. They're all just right there. And they are...
Kind of like a biscuit in it.
Yeah, hard. So,
How come you're not using your trivets?
because I haven't got mine done yet.
Oh.
And the others I got packed up.
Oh.
So, I'm going to take them off of here, put them on here to cool. And I'm not doing a taste test this time, unless Billy is.
I'm not.
Yeah. No sugar. He's not going in his mouth.
Mm.
So, we'll be back when we pull the little ones out. All right, guys. Biker Baker, Mr. Smith. Round 3. Peanut butter dog treats. All right. So, we've got 24 of the actual bigger dog treats. And then about 40 of the small ones. So, guys, you probably have everything at home to do this one. So simple. Flour, eggs, peanut butter, water. That's it. The kids can help. It's such an easy project for them to do and learn how to use cookie cutters and rolling out and stuff like that. Get ready for the Christmas cookies baking with the sugar cookies. Roll them out and cut them out. All right, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And we love you all. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and
Mr. Smith Show.
Peace out, guys. Have a great day. Woof, woof.
Later, Gator.